How to create a LinkedIn banner in Canva. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are all doing great and are having an amazing day. I bring you back with yet another Canva tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to be seeing how you can create a banner for your very own LinkedIn page using Canva. And it's very easy, and I'm going to show you in the simplest steps how you can go through it, and I'm going to be the easiest guide for you. And by the end of this video, you will know how to create a banner for your LinkedIn. Now, obviously, your LinkedIn profile is very important, so we're going to make sure that the banner you make is strictly professional and it looks great and it attracts the audience. And yeah, let's get right into it. So without further ado, we're going to go on Canva.com. Now, when we click on Canva.com, you're going to need to know how Canva really works, and you're going to need to know the basics of it. So, of course, to know the basics, I want you to be prepared. And for that, you should go and check out my video in which I give a basic Canva tutorial to you. Once you watch that, I have explained it thoroughly and in amazing steps in which you can easily understand. So once you've understood all that, you can come back here and then we can get started. So once you learn the basics and the main interface of Canva, what you're going to need to do is we're going to go on search your content on Canvas, and then we're going to write LinkedIn, then we're going to write banner. Once we do that, it's going to give us this banner landscape or banner portrait. Now you can go in any one of these, or you can just write in the main LinkedIn. For example, if you write that, if we're going to write LinkedIn, we're going to do that. And if we click on banner, once we search it, it's going to go on templates. And look at that. It gives us all of these great banner templates, and we can create from any one of these. Now, obviously, you can go for a banner template if you don't have a lot of time on your hands, or if you don't really want to get all that creative right now. So you can just go on any one of these. For example, I like this one, so I'm going to open it in the new tab. So once it's open in the new tab, what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep it like this, and I'm just going to go put in my name. And once I do that, I'm going to put in my profession. We're going to go here. I'm going to put in freelancing. Now, once you've done all that, that's it. That's pretty much it. You're just going to go down here, write your contact information, and you're done. That is literally how easy it is to make a LinkedIn banner with Canva. Then you just go on share. You're going to go on download. You're going to go on PNG and download your free banner. Now, this is if you don't have a lot of time or you don't want to get too creative. Or what else you could do is you're going to go over here and you're going to write banner. Once you click on banner, over here, you're going to go on create a blank banner. Now, what this will give you a blank canvas. Now, on this, you can create your own banner out of your own designs with your own creativity. So I'm just going to get right into it, and I'm going to show you how you can do this with all of your own creativity. So let's get started. First of all, what you're going to do is you're going to make a nice design. So we're going to take a square, and when I take the square, you're just going to take the square and we're going to spread it out right here. Let's make this big. I'm going to give it a nice neutral color, for example, this one. Let's do that. And I'm going to take another square. Now what I'm going to do with this square is I'm going to turn it like this a bit. I'm going to make it bigger, make it big. There we go. And I'm going to go here. I'm going to make it big. There we go. Make it big. There we go. Now what I'm going to do is bring it here and bam. Now, obviously, we're going to change the color of that. We're going to change the color because I don't like it. We're just going to go ahead and let's make it yellow. Let's make it yellow. So, happy colors, and look how much better it looks. So this is the design I was going for. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go on elements, and we're going to start adding some things. For example, if our work is surrounding media, so I'm just going to click on media. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this right here in the middle. And once that is done, I'm going to start adding other things. For example, I'm going to add this over here. I'm going to make it a bit jumbled up. I'm going to take this. I'm going to add it here. And then I'm going to take more things. And we're going to add it here. And just like this, you're going to add things around. For example, I'm going to take that. I'm going to add that here. Now I'll take this book. I'll add it here. Now I'm going to go and find some more things. I'm going to take this. I'm going to add that here. I'm going to take this. I'm going to make it smaller. Once I make it smaller, I'm going to add that here. And I'm just going to add one more thing one more thing related to media. I'll take that and I'm gonna add it right here. Let's make that a bit bigger. So yeah, there we go. Now one side looks a bit better. So on the other side, what you're gonna do is you're gonna start putting in your name. So we're just gonna go on text and we're gonna go and add a heading, or what you can do is use any of these amazing fonts. For example, I'll use Sparkle and I'm gonna write my name, for example, John Leahy. I'm gonna decrease the font because that maybe is a bit too small. I'm gonna go down here, I'm gonna increase the font. Once I increase the font, I'm gonna take a color that looks better. And yeah, that looks better in my opinion. I'm gonna go down, I'm gonna increase the font. If I still don't like it, I'm gonna increase it more. And then I'm gonna set, there it's set. And I'm gonna position it, there it's positioned. Then I'm gonna add my contact details down here, my picture down there. And yeah, that is, look at how filled it looks. It looks much better and it looks much like a banner now. And yeah, that's basically what you have to do. Now, once you do all of this, what you're going to need to do is you're going to go on share and then you're just going to download it as your PNG. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. But of course, this is too simple. Now, if you want to do a bit more complexity, you can go on Unsplash and you can take some, you can go and you're going to write media. If you write media, you're going to get media related high definition pictures. And we're just going to download one of these, or maybe two. Let's do two. Downloaded two of these. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to upload both of these in my Canva uploads. So I'm just going to go ahead and upload this as well. And once I've done that, I'm going to open them right here and I'm just going to do something about this. I'm going to bring them here, like somewhere over here. I'm going to go to transparency and I'm going to decrease their transparency, or just bring them here and decrease their transparency, bring them here or whatever like that. And once you do all of these things, that just makes the image a bit better because you've actually added a real thing. Or you can just do it like this and do the same thing we did for that. I'm just going to increase this picture. There's people using their phones. I'm going to take this one and I'm going to try to adjust it over this one. So you're just going to adjust it over this one. And there we go. Once it's adjusted, you're just going to try to make it look a bit better. And once you've done all of that, what you're going to do is you're going to add your texts over here, add yourself, add your picture, add your contact details like this one. You can add different types of graphics if you want to, different types of elements. And once you've done all that, just add different types of text. And one more thing that I left out is if we go to templates, we can take ideas from here too. You can even add gradients like this one. You can add gradients if you want to. You can make elements and add small photos in them. And how do you do this is you go on elements, you click on frames. Now once you click on frames, you come down here, you can choose any frame. For example, I'll choose this one. Now if I do this, look at that. It adds it in the frame and I can just put it like that, and I can take this frame as well. And if I go on uploads, I'll take this, I'm going to add it here, and look at that. It adds a frame, and how amazing that feature is. And you can just take ideas from all these amazing templates over here. You can change your text color, make it, you can play with the transparency, play with the gradients, play with the text. And yeah, that's basically what you really have to do to make your LinkedIn banners. So yeah, basically that's the gist of it. And once you've done all that, you're going to go on share, you're going to go on download, PNG of course, and then you're going to download. But of course, PNG, if you want to spread it digitally, if you want to print these brochures for some reason, just do PDF print and download it, and then put it in your USBs, transfer it to your printer, and then you can just print it. So yeah, that's basically how easy it is. And yeah, that's basically about it. If you want to see more videos regarding Canva, let me know down in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. It helps me out a lot. Share this video as much as you can, and let me know down in the comments if there was any mistake or queries by me, and I'll clear it for you. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you all have a great and amazing day in front of you. And yeah, that's all from me. Goodbye.